What is up, guys? This is the Glenn you're watching Tech. So guys, after a long time I'm here to shoot a tutorial, and today I will be giving you how to make your photos better into your mobile, how to edit your photos. And you should know you have to, if you want to make a best editor, if you want to make a better color gradient onto your photo, you should need a best editor into your mobile. So first of all, you should download the best software into your mobile without importing into your computer and edit via Photoshop. So let's get straight to the video without wasting any further time. So guys, as you know, many people haven't idea how to use Photoshop into their computer, and they cause it's too hard and it's Adobe application. So I'm going to show you in this video. We'll be showing just like the short version of the Adobe application. So they do courses and to use Photoshop, but now finally get a beautiful software to make your photos and make a better color gradient onto your photo and balance your color gradient. So first of all, you need to I put the screen recording on. Yes, I put the screen recording on. Now start it. So first of all, you need to download the best editor onto your photo. So the editor name is, first of all, go to your app store. First of all, go ahead to your app store or Play Store, what you have using, and go ahead and download the application Adobe Lightroom. And it's Adobe application, and I actually personally recommended that the Adobe application is better than the PixArt or InShot, like those editors are using. So this is the I actually recommended. This is address my personal use, and I get the 100% features and make a better color gradient than the other ones. So after the downloading you completed, you can go ahead and download the. After the downloading, just go and download your application into your mobile, like Android or anyone what you are using. So finally guys, after the downloading completed, the software Adobe Lightroom, what I'm doing here. So open your application, and I'm going to show you what picture I edited, and before and after the results, what's coming. So this is the previous one, and before I edit, after I edit. So this is the editing one. So it's I think better color grading, like making a Adobe Lightroom. So in this video we'll be giving you a short tutorial. First of all, open your application and put the screen recording on, and giving you the easiest way to how to make a better color gradient onto your photo. And open your editor and just go and drag your photo, add your photo into your mobile. So just go and drag into your mobile. So this is the previous one, without edit. The photo comes like this. So let's get started. First of all, you can see the auto option. When you just click this, the editor will make your photo auto better color gradient. Let's get make awesome. Go to light option and make the exposure up to 0.03% and contrast up to minus 25%, minus 25 to 10%, I think. And highlights are coming to 70%. Now go to shadow, and increase your shadow up to 10% plus. visible. White centered blackheads are unused. So go to the next option. Is about color option. You go to the color, and when you just see, when you just go to the color option, you can see the temp or tint or vibrance or saturation option. You can just go and click the mix option, and you can have some tool like this. You can mix and drag it to the grass, and let's increase the grass color. When you can see the grass color has already been better, and go to this and shift increase the grass color. So let's increase the face color, and after the go to the luminance and increase the grass color what you want, and go and increase your face color up to 40%, and go to the grass and increase your grass up to 90%. Just go luminance, make a face color onto your photo. So as you can see, this is the original one, and I added before this one. So it's a make a better color gradient via Lightroom tutorial. So this is the original one, and this is the previous one. So thanks for watching my video. Never forget to subscribe my channel, and